Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, right? So this is the Payoneer website. I'm going to be linking the link to the Payoneer website to the description button of this video. So you can see that Payoneer is an international payments website that allow you to receive international payments from other countries. If you are affiliate marketer, maybe you are digital marketer, or you work remotely. All right, so you can just scroll down and read their website. All right, so now let's get started. You come here and click on make payments easy. Okay, so what I love about this guy is the fact that they offer different services for online seller, affiliate marketer, and the individuals. They allow you to receive payments all over from the country. So now whichever category you force in here, you click on it. If you're affiliate marketer, online marketer, but the major goals is to create a virtual USD account with this guy, so you'll be able to receive online payment, right? So I can click on, let me select online seller here, and once you have online seller, it will take you to this surface where you want to input get full access. Okay, so here is the point where you are going to be doing your registration. So you click on register now. So there is four different steps you are going to be taking to sign up with Payoneer. So the first one here, we have your first name, surname, your email address, and your date of birth. That's the first surface you want to do, and make sure you are clicking individual here, because if you are selecting company, there are some documents they are going to be requiring if you select company. But don't worry about that. If your business is registered under CAC, then you are good to go. You can definitely select company, but as for the sake of this tutorial, I will be selecting individual. Once you are done inputting your details, what you want to click is next. Make sure your first name and the other name you want to use is the same as the one on your ID card. So by default here, what you want to do next is to select your country of residency. So after you select your country, you want to put your street number, all right, and more details about your street, your town, and your zip code. If you don't know how to get your state or city zip code, just go to Google and type it in there to get your zip code. So the next option is your mobile number. You input your active mobile number that you have access to, so they'll be able to send you a code. So once you send the code, you input it here within 5 minutes, then you click on verify and click on next step. I have already filled the necessary informations now. So the next thing I want to do is to click on this send code here. So they will send the code to my number directly. So once you get the code here, you can see the countdown. So what you want to do is to get this code and input it but for the sake of network, it's possible you don't get the code on time. Just make sure you click resend code again, and the code will be forwarded to your number. So guys, here comes the code, and what you want to do now is to click on the next step. So without wasting much of your time, it will load and take you to the next step here. So here is the final step. You can see the step 3/4. So here you want to input the password you want to use. Make sure this password is something you want to remember. Of course, you need your security question as well. Here you select your security question that you know that you can never forget. In case you want to reset your password, you want to do any other thing, this security question is what they are going to be asking you. All right, so once you provide the necessary question here, you select one of the options, then you answer it. Okay, so let me select this, then put the answer here, then the ID details. Since Nigerian is the state, the country of residency we selected, so there are different type of ID here recognized in Nigeria. So we have the first one for national identity card, driver's license, and passport. So I want to stick around with the national identity card. So here where you have ID is where you are going to be inputting the identity number. So here now I've already input the ID card number, the necessary information required. Now you want to click on next. So once you are done with this step now, it will take you to the final surface where you get to input your bank account and the account number. This purpose is available because once you get your virtual USSD account, once you receive payment in there, the settlement is very, very important, where you want them to be sending the money to directly. This is where you get to input it. It's where you want to select the name of the bank, the account holder's name, and the account number. Okay, so that's why I said the name on it must be very, very important. Okay, so because once you selected this name, now this is what will be on the name. All right, so now I'm going to be inputting my account number, but before now, that is why I said you should select individual. Now if your business is registered and is a business account, you want to select business account here. Okay, so now I'm going to be inputting these details in there. So I've already input the bank details where they are going to be doing the bank settlement in there, where they are going to be crediting my account whenever I want to withdraw. Okay, so now I click on this, I check in this box, I read their terms and conditions, then their pricing and fee. Then you want to click on next, then you submit your information. All right, so this final stage will take you to this congratulations step, where they are congratulating you that your application is being received and is being completed. You can see right here that they said you will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application is being received. So here is the last step, where you get to wait for some business days for this whole application to be completed. So once your application is completed, they are going to send you an email notification that they have received your application details. All right, so